Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Guys, many people are complaining that their iPhone says iPhone storage is full. In this short tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can solve this problem in your iOS device. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first tap the settings app on your iPhone. In the settings menu, scroll down a bit and here you'll see privacy and security option. Tap on it. Now scroll all the way to the bottom of the page until you see this option called analytics and improvements. Tap on it. Here make sure share iPhone analytics is disabled. So guys, after confirming this, now go back to the home screen and open the Photos app. In the Photos app, scroll down a bit and here you'll see recently deleted option. Tap on it. Then enter your iPhone passcode to view this album. If any of your data is appearing here, delete it. After doing this, now go back to the settings application. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap on general. Then tap on iPhone storage. Here you will be able to see a graph at the top of the screen that shows how much space you have left on your iPhone. If it shows that the space is low, delete the system data. So first select unused apps here and offload them. It won't delete your documents and data. You can resume the apps whenever you want. So guys, after doing this, now go back to the settings menu again. On the settings, swipe all the way down and tap on apps. In the apps menu, swipe down and tap on Safari browser settings. Then find clear history and website data and tap on it. Select all history and then tap on clear history at the bottom of the page. That's it for today's video. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.